Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Transformation T. I'm T, and today I have a cool little workout for you. A cool little workout for you. We're working our triceps and a little bit of chest. So without further ado, let's jump into it because no one likes long intros. Alright, so right here I'm just showing you my warm-up where I take the resistance bands and I'm stretching them behind my head, warming up those triceps, and then I'll bring it to the front, warming up my chest a little bit because we will be doing just a little bit of chest. Alright, so now I'm going to step on the resistance band and I'm going to start pulling it up towards my chest. And back, and then to the front. This is targeting our triceps and chest and shoulders. I'm smiling like an idiot because my camera woman is being stupid, making me laugh. Alright, so jumping right into the workout, I'm starting out by using this pull back machine, don't know what it's called. And when I pull back right there, I'm making sure that my shoulder blades are touching. This is working my back, my triceps, chest, and a little bit of biceps. And I'll usually do about 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Alright, so this move I'm working directly my tricep. I'm going to grab a dumbbell and I'm holding it behind my head and bending my arms to a 90-degree angle and right back up. Now if you want to get more of an intense workout, you can do one arm at a time, which is my favorite. And that's where I tend to see more results. And I'm bringing the weight actually right diagonally behind me.
It's delicious.
See right here? I'm going from one shoulder blade to the other. And I'm stabilizing my shoulder by holding it in place with my other arm. That's definitely not my shoulder, that's my elbow. Stabilizing my elbow by holding my shoulder in place. I'm stabilizing my elbow with my other hand so I'm not wobbling all around is what I'm trying to say. So exercise number 3 that I do is the classic tricep dip. So what you're doing is you're going to come down on a bench or chair, bend your arms to a 90-degree angle. So pulling your feet in actually makes it a lot easier. I would recommend this version if you're a beginner. Alright, so next move, I am grabbing a pair of pretty light dumbbells because we're going to be working that chest. As women, we tend to neglect the chest. Don't do it, ladies. I'm bringing the dumbbells right over my chest. I'm extending them both out to the side and then bringing them up, having a slight bend at the elbow. And then I'm going to bring my right arm out to the side and then my left arm out to the side and then together. That circuit of together, right, left counts as 1 rep. And I do 8 reps of those, 3 times through. Alright, and then the move that I'm doing is a tricep pull down. This is where I definitely see results. So what I'm doing is I'm holding on to the ropes and I am pulling them straight down, but at the very bottom I'm separating them and squeezing my triceps. Now another variation that I'm showing you is instead of pulling straight down and then coming straight up, pull straight down and then come up slowly. So straight down and then count up to 3, like 1, 2, 3, and then right back down. And 1, 2, 3 on the way up and right back down. Take about a 30-45 second rest in between and then we're right back at it. Oh, good. Then our last and final move, because I know your triceps are dying at this point because mine were. Alright. But we hanging in there. You can do it. You can do it. we have the assisted tricep dips. If you are able to do tricep dips without the assist, then go ahead and add it to your workout. Now that I'm watching this back, I can see that there's things in my form that I'm going to fix. Like, I would like to lean forward a little bit so that my elbows aren't coming back so far. And then when I come up, I have a tendency to like overextend my elbows because I'm a little double jointed. So learn from me and don't do that, you know. Yeah, if you're new to working out or if you're trying to reach a certain goal, just keep going. Consistency is key. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!